A live bomb cell was found near the Poonch River bed in Jammu and Kashmir on Saturday, triggering a security alert in the area. The suspicious object was spotted by local residents. They immediately informed the police and security agencies. Soon after receiving the information, police teams rushed to the spot. The area was secured to prevent any danger to the public. Security personnel cordoned off the location. People were asked to stay away from the riverbed until further instructions. After a preliminary inspection, officials confirmed that the object was a live bomb shell. The discovery raised concerns due to the risk posed by unexploded ammunition. The army was informed about the recovery. A specialized team reached the site to assess the situation. Army experts examined the shell carefully. They determined that the explosive device was still active and could pose a serious threat if disturbed. After evaluating the risk, the army decided to destroy the shell on the spot. Standard safety procedures were followed before the operation began. Security forces cleared the surrounding area. Residents living nearby were advised to remain indoors as a precautionary measure. The bomb disposal operation was conducted under strict security arrangements. Army personnel successfully neutralized the shell through a controlled explosion. A loud blast was heard during the operation. However, officials confirmed that the explosion was part of the planned disposal process. No injuries were reported. There was no damage to nearby property. Authorities later declared the area safe. Normal movement resumed after the operation was completed. Officials said the shell may have been lying in the area for a long time. However, they have not yet confirmed its exact origin. The investigation has been launched. Security agencies are trying to determine how the shell reached the riverbed. Searches were also conducted in the surroundings area. The operation was aimed at ensuring that no other exploded ordnance was present nearby. No additional explosive material was found during the initial search. Poonch district has witnessed several incidents of cross-border shelling in the past. Unexploded shells and ammunition are occasionally recovered from border areas, agriculture fields, and riverbeds. Security agencies have urged residents to remain vigilant. People have been advised not to touch any suspicious object and to immediately report such findings to the authorities. Officials praised local residents for alerting security forces in time. They promote action and help to prevent a possible accident. The army and police continue to monitor the area. Further investigation is underway. Authorities have assured the public that all necessary measures are being taken to ensure safety and prevent similar incidents in the future. Stay tuned with us for more updates. Do like, comment, share and subscribe the channel.